How to remove Gmail sync contacts from Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your phone. Then scroll down and then click on Google. After you find Google, you'll find this kind of screen pop up in Google. Click on All Services. Then in All Services, scroll down till you find Backup. Click on Backup. And then in here, scroll down again. Then click on Google Account Data, which is below Device Settings. Click on Google Account Data and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Turn off contacts and then also turn off Gmail. As you can see, contact is in the second and Gmail is at the fourth. After you turn this off, sync will be turned off. This is how to remove Gmail sync contact from Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.